In addition to lasting memories, the kids, friends, and pets you welcome into your home can also leave a lasting impression on your carpets. But now you can keep the fun memories and eliminate the mess with the Bissell DeepClean Premier. This complete system deep cleans beyond what's seen for professional-style carpet cleaning results. The DeepClean Premier sprays a mixture of water and Bissell cleaning formula into carpet fibers to loosen the dirt and stains that regular vacuuming leaves behind. Dual rotating power brushes with 10 rows of cleaning bristles combine with heavy-duty suction to lift away ground-in dirt, stains, and odors. When deep cleaning large areas, DeepClean Premier's powerful full-width surround suction helps surfaces dry fast. The result is carpets that look, feel, and smell much cleaner than those that are simply vacuumed. The DeepClean Premier has several special features that make it even more effective. For starters, the water tank is 25% larger, which means fewer trips to the sink and faster cleaning. And heatwave technology is built into the DeepClean Premier to help maintain the temperature of the water and cleaning solution while you clean. It also includes a handheld tough stain tool that attaches to your deep cleaner's long, flexible hose so you can deep clean stairs, upholstery, and other hard-to-reach places. The DeepClean Premier uses water and specialized Bissell formulas to generate professional-style cleaning results every time. Customize your clean with the Bissell formula that fits your cleaning situation. Choose from solutions that refresh with a light scent. Eliminate pet stains and odors. Remove household allergens. Protect against future stains with Scotch Guard. And provide professional-style cleaning results. When you're done, simply empty the dirty water tank, then remove the front nozzle of the tough stain tool to rinse away fine dirt and debris, then reattach. The Bissell DeepClean Premier takes care of the mess, so you can take care of creating the memories.
Your portable spot cleaner is ready to go right out of the box with no assembly required. When you're ready to start cleaning, so is Rug Doctor. First, fill the clean water tank with hot water from the tap, making sure to fill it to the line. Then, add Rug Doctor cleaning solutions to the tank, filling it to the soap line. Screw the cap back on. Firmly reinsert the tank into your portable spot cleaner. Plug in the machine, and you're ready to clean. Let's get cleaning!